G'day, it's Colin from Wurth and welcome to our first product tutorial for 2022. I hope everyone had a fantastic Christmas, and if you had a break, I hope you had an enjoyable one. But today I want to show you the Wurth Quattro range of paint. Now Quattro, I've used it and I think it's fantastic. The coverage is excellent. Even the nozzle, the spray pattern and nozzle is fantastic. But what's better news is Wurth has the 5 different colours here, but we've just released another 10 colours. And there's blues and reds, there's blacks, there's greys, there's orange, there's yellow, whites, the whole rainbow. So let's go over and have a look how well it sprays and how fantastic the coverage is.
So to show you how well the Quattro covers, I've got a competitor's product. So we'll spray them on this board here and we'll see how it goes.
So as you can see, just with that quick little coat of paint, that the Quattro outperforms the opposition product. So now I'm going to apply a second coat just to see the finished product. You'll also notice that the opposition paint has obvious runs where the Quattro has not. So you've just seen the spray pattern and how well it covers. But let's get into the technical stuff and why we believe that the Quattro paint range is so fantastically good. The first thing is it's very versatile. So you can paint metal, you can paint wood, you can paint plastics, pretty much anything you want to paint, you can cover with this product. It has 100% UV and weathering resistance, which means it won't fade or deteriorate over time. It has a primer in it, which helps it stick, so you don't need to use a primer before you paint. It also has rust and corrosion protection, up to 500 hours of salt spray protection. What does that mean? That means that the paint has been painted onto something and it's been continually bombarded with salt water for 500 hours before any rust or corrosion appears. So in the real world, that means you get years and years of coverage, even when they're in a salt environment. So the Quattro range is a lacquer spray paint. It doesn't drip or run. The cans are 400 mils. It is highly elastic, so if you put it on something that needs to bend, it'll have a bit of give. And it's also impact resistance. Let's go have a look at that now, the impact resistance. So I've painted these 2 bits of steel tube with the deep orange Quattro, and I'm going to bang them together to show you the impact resistance. As you can see, there's no chips in the paint. I've also painted with the green Quattro this piece of card, and I'll show you how you can bend it to show how flexible the paint is. One last thing, the tops of the cans are painted the colour of the paint that's inside, so you'll always know what paint you've got. The Wurth Quattro range for that professional finish. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section. Don't forget to like our page. And remember, at Wurth, we're ready for work.